Aloha Kauai, this is your County of Kauai briefing for September 13th. We continue to experience high daily case counts on Kauai. Most of our recent positive cases are close contacts of previous cases and known clusters. The Department of Health is monitoring a number of clusters related to social gatherings, places of worship, and workplace settings. Thank you for working together to keep our community safe by avoiding large gatherings, wearing our masks, staying home if sick, getting tested, and getting vaccinated. Recently, a handful of people have refused to cooperate with the Department of Health's contact tracers, putting our entire community at risk. We need to work together to stop the spread of this disease. More than a third of our recent cases are in children. Help us keep them safe. If the contact tracers call you, please call them back and help them help our community. For the latest numbers, here is Lauren Guest from the Kauai District Health Office.
Thanks, Mayor. Over the weekend, the Kauai District Health Office confirmed 42 cases on Friday, 37 cases on Saturday, and 27 cases on Sunday, a total of 106 cases. 42 of the cases were children and 64 were adults. The vast majority are residents. Today, we are reporting 24 new cases, all residents, all community acquired, 9 children and 15 adults. A majority of the cases are close contacts of previously announced cases or are tied to one of our active clusters. We have been unable to reach 5 of today's cases after repeated attempts, or they have refused to provide information. We now have a total of 254 active cases, with 6 in the hospital and 6 in the isolation facility, and the rest directed to isolate at home. A quick note about our case numbers. Here on Kauai, we report our case numbers and fatalities in real time as soon as we confirm the information. The State Department of Health reports those numbers a day or 2 later. We are reporting the same thing, but it may be confusing that the state counts are a little delayed. Recently, the state reported a couple of Kauai fatalities, which we had reported some time ago. Our total number of deaths is 9, with the most recent one reported last week. We will continue reporting case numbers and fatalities as soon as we confirm them.
Mahalo, Lauren. We are monitoring Oahu and Maui County's new safe entry programs for businesses. At this time, Kauai does not have a verification mandate on businesses. Kauai police are enforcing mask rules, gathering and capacity limits, and event requirements. Our new emergency order establishes fines for violating the state of Hawaii's COVID safety rules. $250 for individuals and $500 for businesses and organizers. To report a violation, visit kauai.gov/COVID-19 and click Report a Violation or call KPD at 808-241-1711. You can remain anonymous. As of today, 81% of eligible Kauai residents ages 12 and older have gotten at least 1 dose of vaccine. Mahalo, Kauai. Unfortunately, most of our active cases are in unvaccinated people. For more, we turn to our Kauai COVID-19 Incident Commander and Fire Department Assistant, Chief Saul Konoho.
Thanks, Mayor. We've been fighting this disease for over a year and a half now. Recently, we have been deeply concerned to see many cases affecting children and clusters devastating parts of our community, fueled by the Delta variant. Most of our cases have one thing in common: they are unvaccinated. I got a vaccine as soon as I was eligible as a first responder last December. I work directly with firefighters who respond to medical emergencies and with our Department of Health team that helps to isolate infectious individuals. It gave me major peace of mind to know that I was much less likely to get seriously ill and less likely to spread the virus if I do get exposed. We now have tools to reduce the toll of this virus. The most effective tool is getting vaccinated. The vaccines are free and widely available to everyone 12 and older. Ho'ola Lahui is holding a pop-up clinic this Saturday, September 18th, at the Kikaha Neighborhood Center from 9 to 11 a.m., offering all 3 vaccines for free and no appointments are needed. The Kauai Mobile Vaccine Clinic is open to 12 and older this Thursday at the Kapa'a Neighborhood Center, Friday at Lihui Neighborhood Center, and Saturday at Wainiha Country Market, all from noon to 3 p.m. For a full list of locations for all 3 vaccines, visit kauai.gov/vaccine. Mahalo for your kokua.
We continue to offer free testing to anyone on Kauai. Our Convention Hall Testing Center now has a ticketing system, so you don't have to wait around. Arrive anytime the clinic is open, and if there's a wait, they'll give you a ticket with a time to return for your free test. You do not need to arrive early in the morning to receive a ticket. They will work to accommodate anyone who arrives while the clinic is open, weekdays from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Lihue Pharmacy is accepting advance appointments for free tests. Walk-ins are also welcome at our free mobile testing van in Kekaha on Wednesday, Kilauea on Thursday, Kalaheo on Friday, Hanalei on Saturday, and Kapa'a on Sunday. It is open from 9 to 1 each day. No appointments are needed, and results are provided the same day. Wilcox Medical Center's drive-up testing clinic is expanding hours to offer Saturday testing from noon to 3 p.m. They are also open weekdays 9 to 3, closed on Sundays. Contact your primary care physician to get a physician order for testing at this location. If you don't have a doctor, call the Hawaii Pacific Health COVID-19 virtual clinic at 808-462-5430 and select option 3. For a full list of testing options, visit kauai.gov/COVID tests. Financial assistance is available for Kauai residents struggling with rent and utilities. The Kauai Government Employees Federal Credit Union will be offering in-person assistance this Saturday, September 18th, at the Ho'omana Thrift Store on Kuamo'o Road in Wailua from 2 to 5 p.m. Bring your documentation. Finally, let's go over the top 6 ways we can keep one another safe. Don't travel unless absolutely necessary, and if you must travel, get vaccinated first and take a free post-travel test 3 to 5 days after you return to Kauai. Don't gather. Please postpone your event until it's safer to do so. If you do gather, stay outdoors. Do wear a mask when around others. Do stay home when you are sick, and get vaccinated if you can. A vast majority of the people who are being hospitalized are unvaccinated. Mahalo, Kauai.